Hello friends, my name is Advay. I'm studying in grade 1 and I have robotics classes. Today in my robotics class, I made an interesting project called the line following robot. This is the line following robot. It has the microbit, that's like the brain. Like even we have a brain, this car has the brain. These are the IR sensors, they act like eyes. Like they can detect the difference from black and white. Okay, and then if the left sensor detects the line, it will turn left, and if the right sensor detects the line, it will turn right. This is the battery holder where the battery it gives all the power like energy, and these wires get all of the energy everywhere, like to all of the parts. Okay, these are called jumper wires. They connect the signals like. This is the motor shield. It will the microwave gives the signals to the motor shield. From the motor shield, these jumper wires carry the signals to other parts like the IR sensors. These are the wheels and motors are here. This is right front, this is left front, right back, left back. And we did coding. This is our coding. This is the coding. So forever set. So we will get all the information from pin P0 and P16. And then these are the motors. Motor 1, that's left. That's motor 2, motor 3, motor 4. And this is for left, right. All of this page is 65. Check it out if this really works.